Welcome, guys. This is Diamond FX Group. I happy to welcome you back to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, you need to click on the subscribe button so you can get notified when I post my next video. So today, looking at this system, and I wanted to make sure that those of you guys who have been buying it for $600, you don't need to do that. It's just $50 from Diamond FX Group. And what you get is a VIP group where you can also take trades from the group and give you advice on every single trade that pops up every day. So I'm going to explain the strategy this morning, and we're currently on the NZDJPY on the 5 minutes. I like to use the 5 minutes because on the 5 minutes, you'll be able to take scalp trades. So let me go through the system again. So here we have a buy entry. If you notice, we had a buy entry from here, and it says the target is here. So what happened was that the price became bullish from right there. And so if you bought the price, this was your target. And so once this target is met, right, at that area, you're going to have reversals happening. And so this morning, when I woke up, I spotted this entry, which is the bear cross. Now, the bear cross signifies the sellers are coming into the market. And so that way, we are able to take sell trades. So right there, I took a sell trade. Okay. So I'm going to target the initial buy entry. So what it means is that I'm going for these order block. There's a order block here that was creating the bullish momentum. And as it's done now, the target has been met. As you can see over there, so we started getting the bear cross. So I took this sell entry and I'm targeting these lower points. So if you look carefully, my other software here is telling me that the sellers are coming into the market. So I already took the trade. You can lock in your profits as soon as you start getting the movement in your favor. Now, what you see on my screen here is a modified version of this software. It's based on experience. Over the years, I've been trading these markets, so I'm able to use the proper indicator to select my trades. So if you're having a challenge account, I think this software is going to help you a lot. If you have a challenge account with the prop firms, this is going to really help you. And so it's only $50 from our channel. And if you take a proper look at this software, you'll find out that you get buy and sell signals all across the charts. So you want to be sure that everything aligns well. So once you get a buy signal from right there, you take your entry and lock the trade. So if you look here now, the bear cross was my signal. And so if you were buying and you see the bullish piercing signal, bullish engulfing, means that the price is still pushing to the upside. But once you get to this point and you see this red circle, that is the temporary stop. So you need to stop out from your buy signals. And if you notice, this was coming at the targets. So if you took a sell trade right now on the NZDJPY, you would be in some profits. So these are scalp trades. You need to take a trade, scalp it, put your stop losses on there. So let me go to some other assets. I need to scan the market. Whenever you are on the PC, you can just drag and drop assets on the templates. So it's going to calculate and do this everything for you automatically. So over here also you notice that we have a sell signal. Right, I didn't come in on time on this one, so but I'm taking the JPY now. So you can see the price already met the target somewhere here, but the price pushed up further. So now we are in the bearish phase in the resistance area. So we found this point, and one of our strategies telling me that that is the sell area. So this bear cross again is here, and the bearish engulfing. So if you took this trade, you will have been in some profit. So one thing about the market is once it gets out of this band, it tends to pull back a little and continue the movement. So um, get the software. It's $50 only. You're gonna enjoy trading using an interface where you can see exactly what is going on in the market. So over here also, we're able to see the movement in a different time frame. So if you have more of the sellers, okay, by the time you're gonna have about half of this in the red, the price will be moving pretty much quickly to the downside. So, but these are your entry points. These are your entry points, and this is the buy. This is the buy. All right. So the market stays in these areas. You get this, you can buy again. All right. So this is the signal that the market is about to trend to the downside. And then we get the bear cross, the bearish engulfing. That is the move. All right, that is the move. So over here is our trend breaker, frequency arrow. So that is going to tell us that look, we should be in the bearish phase right now. So if you took this trade, you would have been in some profit. So I like trading the NZD a lot. So I kind of was looking at this. So let's go to the pound dollar. Just drag and drop. All right. So on the pound dollar, it says it's a sell. We have a sell entry here, and this is the target. If you notice, we have our software telling us that this is the resistance point, the highest point right there. So we got two bear cross. That is enough for you to know that this market is shifting to the downside. So over here, we got a sell signal, and the market pushed. But notice that once it got to the sell entry, it started this move. So over here, it's not new. The price usually comes back to test the safe area. So if you look over here, it said safe sell starts at 29,587. I hope this is correct. So yeah, so um, we are at the safe area right now. If the price pushes up over there and starts to turn back, then get a sell or the bearish engulfing pattern is over there, and we could take a sell towards the target over there. But you want to be on the PC once this trend start changing. You want to be there once you saw this two bear crosses. The next candle will have pulled you into some profits. All right, so guys, it's quite easy to use our version. It's $50 only. Please subscribe and like this video. If you were buying yesterday, this was a buy entry. You got buy bullish engulfing twice, and you got a buy signal right there. So if you notice, this price was above the daily open and it was pulling right there. So the daily open line and everything you see here is going to be on the software that we're going to give to you, send to you. We can help you set it up and via the team viewer or the AnyDesk, we can set it up for you. And also we add you to the VIP group so you can join other traders, to take trades. Okay, guys, I think you're gonna enjoy this software. I want you to please subscribe and like this video and join me on the VIP group where we can take trades together. All right, so I'll go back to my NZD JPY trade that I had earlier. Taking this NZD JPY, knowing that the NZD USD already started selling. And so bearish conditions on these assets will also push push the price down. So I'm waiting for more momentum. It's just very early in the morning. Or you can see that my stop loss got hit, but I'll be back on these sells once the momentum increases. So bearish cross, bear in mind the bearish cross is still way up here at the target. So that is going to be the stop loss areas. And, we can wait for our sell signals to pop up here. Once we get the more sell signals, then the price will start to push back towards these entry and towards the daily open area. All right, guys. So I think that'll be it for this morning. If you have any questions, you can write me an email or you can send me a WhatsApp message. All right. God bless you, everybody. And I hope you have a great trading week.